These are the 4 best performing Nigerian stocks in this year. This is the half-year report you can't ignore. If you miss these 4 Nigerian stocks in the first half of the year, you already left money on the table. But the good news, it's not too late. Let me show you why these are still the best performing stocks you can't afford to ignore in the Nigerian stock market. My name is Dividend, your money teacher. On this channel, we talk about money, investment, how to grow our money, how to be financially smart. If you are first-time viewers, you are welcome here. Here, we are building a community of billionaires, people who are money smart, people who understand investment. Don't forget to hit that subscription button now and also the notification button so that anytime I drop super amazing videos like this one you are seeing, you'll be the first to see the video. Now, let's talk about 4 Nigerian stocks that are quietly building value, some with dividends, some with explosive growth, and ones that undervalued right now. All of them are anchored in real business, not hype. A lot of people want to invest, but they are investing into companies or things they don't really understand. So let's go, guys. The number 1 stock on our list is AIICO Insurance. Right now, because of the new law on the insurance sector, there's a lot of restructures in the insurance company because of the recapitalizations. This AIICO Insurance, this one is precious to me. Think of insurance as the quiet backbone of any resilient society. When the storm hits, insurance companies step up. As of August of this year, AIICO is trading around 4.65 naira per share, and this year it's climbed roughly about 67.8% since January and nearly 330% over the past 52 weeks. Remember to hit that subscription button now. But here is the sweet part. They just pay 7 kobo per share in dividends, around 1.5 to 1.7% yield on top of that asset. The real cash back into your pocket, and the fundamentals stand firm with consistent growth in net income and revenue and stable underwriting results. So when you own AIICO, you are not chasing fat, guys. You are buying into a real company that know what they are doing. You are also owning a business that cares for society stability, and that stability cares for your return. That's true resilience, guys. If you are loving this video already, like, comment, and share this video with your friends and family. What it does is that more people will be able to see this video and also be blessed. The second stock on our list right now is Livestock Feed PLC. Now, this one feel like feeding the future. Food is non-negotiable. Doesn't matter how hard an economy is, people are going to eat, guys. Whether times are good, whether they are hard, right? Livestock is actually trading around 8.95 naira per share now, up a solid of 170% year to date. Guys, if you invest into this stock, you beat inflation. Inflation is sitting around 23% right now. They turn things around in full year 2025, going from loss to around 1.9 billion naira in profit. Friends, that's transformation, pure hard earned. If you are investing, you are looking for business that can do more than survive. This one thrives, and that means potential for you guys. Are you loving this video already? Subscribe. Also comment, let me know each of these stocks that you have on your portfolio. The number 3 on our watch list right now is FCMB Group PLC. Banks move money. That is their heartbeat. FCMB is trading around 11.25 kobo as of the time I was shooting this video, and up a steady of 21.8 year to date. No flashy, but listen to this. In just first half of this year, FCMB report about 79 billion profit before tax, and their assets climb around 7.5 trillion naira. That's a lot of money, guys. This bank may not be flashy. It's busy doing business, diversifying across retail, SMEs, corporate, digital banking. So your money sits in a financial engine that's real, growing, and disciplined, guys. If you love this video, hit the notification button, subscribe, join our community also where we discuss about the right investment. All right. The number 4 on our list right now is C&I Leasing PLC. Here's a sleeper gem, guys. C&I Leasing is in the business of moving fleet, managing marine equipment, outsourcing support, heavy lifting for Nigerian real economy. Right now, it's trading around 8 naira, up to 101.6 year to date. And yes, they pay 10 kobo per share dividend, about 1.3% yield. These ones, not glamorous actually, but it's power business behind the scene. When the economy leaks on the real sector, this company does the heavy lifting and your investment right there. The number 5 on our list, which is the last on this video, is Jaiz Bank PLC. Finally, the quiet disruptor. Jaiz is Nigeria pioneer non-interest bank, Islamic banking, profit sharing, asset backed, trading around 5 naira 23 kobo per share as of the time I was shooting the video, up by 73% year to date. Actually, they dropped 7 kobo per share in dividends, that's about 1.3% yield, and they keep growing steadily. If you believe in principled finance, an alternative model, this is your brand, guys. Lean growth, nice reality, and consistent payout. That's a formula worth respecting, guys. Let's lean back for a moment. We just walk through. AIICO Insurance, 4 naira 65 kobo. That's about 67.8 year to date. 7 kobo dividends. Livestock is trading around 8 naira 95 kobo, and year to date performance is about 117%. Turn loss of 1.9 billion to profit. FCMB, 11 naira right now. 11 naira 25 kobo. And year to date performance is around 21.8%. 79 billion profit before tax in the first 6 months of this year. C&I Leasing is trading around 8 naira, and now their year to date performance is around 101.6%. 10 kobo dividend. Jaiz Bank is trading around 5 naira 23 kobo, and year to date is 73%. 7 kobo as a dividends payment. Now, what do I do with 100,000 that I have? Let's make it practical, guys. Open your brokerage account, confirm those prices, and look at your balance. Divide the money wisely. A simple split, guys. For this bank, FCMB, you can do 20%. For livestock, you can do 25%, right? So you can split your money. And for C&I Leasing, you can do 15%. And for Jaiz Bank, you can actually do another 15%. That's how to win in the Nigerian stock market. This kind of mixture gives you a steady base. FCMB, a growth kicker. Livestock, Jaiz Bank, a silent engine. C&I, the best. Use the ladder, guys. 30% of that allocation now, 40% in 2 weeks, 30% when there's a dip, or if the price runs, layer more on strength. Reinvest dividends. Let that cycle quietly build more shares for you guys. It is not wise for you to get a dividend, you are spending everything. Track quarterly. If fundamental hold or grow, add more. If something break, pause and reconsider your positions. So now I know what might be on your mind. What if the market crashes? What if you lose money? That's why you keep an emergency fund. Invest only with what you can afford to lock up for next 2 to 3 years. If the market dip, you level up, you buy more. If the market runs, you stay calm. That's how you win in the long game. Also, if you need a community, find one. A small group of like-minded folks investing, learning, staying accountability. And that is why we recommend our community. Join our stock market masterclass community where we talk more on investment. You need this kind of community that encourage you to invest. Some of you have the only community that you have. They are community of people who only talks about what to buy, what to spend. You need community that encourages you to invest. So join us. Check the description or the comment section. All right. So don't do it alone. All right. These are the things you need to do. Allocate small, digestible portions. Buy in stages. You can do 30, 40, 30, and reinvest your dividends, like I've said before. Right. Track quarterly. So let me paint the picture for a minute. A year from now, your 100,000 could become 150 or even 500,000 if this business keep delivering. No fantasy, just time. Compounding and smart entry. That's how you cut the chains of paycheck to paycheck living. That's how you breathe easily, guys. Because you are not chasing dreams, you are building them step by step, bricks by bricks. I'm with you the whole way. I'm with you the whole way, guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. There is a video on the screen right now. Try to watch it because this video is about to transform your investment journey. Thank you.